circles. So really, you know that what's a circle? What's a circle really? Real circle is this type of one. Here is a circle. Okay, here is a circle. The midpoint of a circle. Yeah, the midpoint of a circle we could name. That's the center. The center. These are the basic things that you need to know in this lesson. The center. And also, when this is named as circumference. Anyway, then from here to here distance, you know that straight path, this distance is, you say that, we say generally as, radius. Okay, this one also radius. Then these two segments we call as radii. This is read as radii, radii, right? Double I, radii. This is radii. Okay, so these two. Okay, plural of radius. Anyway, so the center, radius. Then the other thing, that. Then from here to here distance. Then from here to here distance, you know that. Wait. From here to here distance. This is the diameter. The straight line goes to the center. This from here to here distance we name as diameter, right? This is the radius. Okay, this is the radius. Anyway, these are the basic things. Then before that, then I will teach you that what's a segment. Before that I will teach you that what's a chord. A chord. Really, what's a chord? Right? What's a chord? Chord is a straight line. Chord is a straight line which is drawn connecting two points found on a circle. That's a chord. So, you think of this one. Here is a circle. Then I am going to draw a straight line. This is the point A. This is the point B. Right? Then I draw this straight line. Here is a straight line. The straight line. Right? The straight line. So here is a straight line. Then anyway, this straight line we could identify as chord, right? Chord is a straight line which is drawn connecting two points found in a circle. Here is a chord. Here is a chord. Okay, here is a chord. The chord AB. Now again also then what happens? Is this a chord really? PQ. Is this a chord? Is this a chord? No, this is not a chord. The reason this is not a straight line. Chord is a straight line which is drawn connecting two points found on a circle. So this is not a chord. Then this is not named in maths generally, right? When it comes to geometry or when it comes to this segment. Okay. Anyway, now you know that what's a chord. Then the other segment is the other concept that you need to know here. As you know, segment. Really, what's a segment? Segment. What's a segment really? What's a segment? Then segment is a certain region. Segment is a certain region which is bounded by a chord and an arc. Okay. Anyway, then you need to know this one as well. Then what's an arc? Arc is a certain part. Then from here to here is a segment which is cut. Is an arc of a circle. AB is an arc. This part is an arc. Then this is minor arc. If this is minor arc, then this part. What is this part? This should be the major arc. Major arc. Here is a minor arc. This is a major arc. Okay, major arc. Sorry, this is a major arc. Sorry, extremely sorry. This is the minor arc. This is the minor arc. This is the major arc. This part is the minor arc. Okay. Anyway, now you know that what's an arc. This part is an arc. Okay. Then what is a segment? A segment is a certain region. What is the region? What is that region? A region which is bounded by an arc. This is an arc, and a chord. A segment is a certain region of a circle when it comes to a circle bounded by and arc and a chord. Bounded by an arc and a chord. Here is a segment. Then this part also a segment. I mean this part. Then here is a chord. Here is an arc. Okay. How about this one? This part also can be considered as a segment. Okay. There are many segments. Many segments can be drawn here. I mean this part. Okay. I mean this part. Here is this small part. Here is a segment. Okay. Now the other point is, this one. This point is, this one is a segment, right? We previously learned about a segment. Here is a sector. Sector is a certain part bounded by bounded by an arc and two radii. Here is this is radius. This is radius, right? Bounded by two radii. OB is a radius. Radius. OB radius. OA radius. Then sector is a certain region bounded by an arc and two radii. Here's a sector. This angle is, central angle. This angle is central angle, and also this one also central angle, right? Minor angle. Then when you compare this, so this is the this magnitude of this angle is lesser than this one, but anyway central angle. Then this part is here is a sector. Then this part also a sector. This one, don't forget it. This part, this part. This one also a sector. Then it comes to circle. This one. When you remove this part, then here is a sector. This part also sector. Two radii and an arc, bounded radius. So what's the longest chord of a circle? What's the longest chord? The longest chord, here is a chord, that. Here is a chord, AB is a chord. Then gradually what happens to the chord? Then it increases. Then this chord goes through the origin. XY. So the longest chord, bear in mind, if the longest chord of a circle is the diameter. Okay, this is the basic idea of this lesson. I will be teaching you more videos in the near future as well. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, you could subscribe the channel and you could send me a message if you are willing to join my online classes. I will be entering my WhatsApp number in the description box as well. Okay, thanks a lot.